Hello everyone. In this video I am going to solve one question based on first and follow function of compiler design. You can see, just a moment, you can see this question has been asked in GATE 2090 and marks weightage is 1 mark. Okay, in this question they have given you some grammar, okay, some indexes for terminals, and they are asking you to find out this one, follow up non-terminal B. Okay, you need to find out follow up non-terminal B. Once you find out set of non-terminals, set of terminals for follow up B, you need to write down their code in descending order. Look at this one, descending order. Suppose you got follow set this one, A, B, D, dollar. Now they have given you code for each terminal. That means 3 for A, 2 for B, 1 for D, and 0 for dollar. So what you need to do, you need to write down here code. Suppose for A code is 3. Okay, so you need to keep this order in mind so that you don't make mistake. They have given you A, B, D. This is just for example. They have given you dollar. And what is code for A? 3. What is code for B? They have given you 2. What is code for D? 1. And what is code for dollar? 0. So they are saying you, once you find out this follow set of terminals, you need to you need to display or arrange their code in descending order. So in descending order, first of all 3 will come, 3, then 2, then 1, then 0, 0. Okay, so 3, 2, 1, 0. This would be answer if your resultant set for follow is this. Okay, so this question is looking little bit complex, but it is very easy question. Okay, just you need to find out follow, and you need to arrange terminals in descending order for follow set. Okay, so look at how to do it. First of all, what you need to do, you need to write down rules. Whenever we calculate follow, you need to only remember this rule. Based on this rule and based on this beta, you will decide which rule you have to follow. I have already shared in video 3 rules in order to find out follow up variables in compiler design. If you haven't watched that video, please watch that video so that you can easily understand how I am solving this question. Okay, so you have been asked to find out follow up B. This, look at here, follow up B. First of all, find out follow up B. So you need to identify production rule that contains follow at right hand side. So this production rule contains B, this B at right hand side. There is no any production rule that contains B at right hand side, so you need to pick this production rule. Okay, once you pick this production rule, you need to compare with this one. Okay, so how it will be? Okay, this one. Okay, this production rule contains B, that's why I have opted this one. Now you need to compare this production rule with this one. Okay, so this A would be this A. Okay, and this beta. How to find out beta? Actually, whenever we follow this rule, we always try to find out follow up B here. So this B would be this B. Okay, this is only thing you need to do carefully. This B would be this B, and this beta would be this D. Okay, this D. And what is alpha? Alpha is useless here. Always keep in mind alpha is useless. Alpha would be epsilon, because before B we have nothing here, so alpha would be epsilon. Okay, once you identify beta, this beta, you need to identify first of beta, then you will decide which rule you have to use. Okay, so what is beta? Beta equal D here. Okay, So first of all, try to find out first of beta. Look at here. Okay, so what is d? D is beta here. We have already compared this beta with this one. Okay, so first of beta equal first of d, and first of d you will find out from here. First of d equal d and epsilon, because terminals are directly given, terminals and this epsilon. Okay, so you can directly add. This is first of what? Beta or first of d. Now which rule you have to follow? If you had seen my previous video on how to calculate follow of variable using three rules, because beta contains epsilon, whenever beta contains epsilon, you need to follow rule number 3.2. 3.2, you need to use rule number 3.2. And what is 3.2? This one. Follow of b equal first of beta minus epsilon union follow of a. Okay, so we are applying this rule for this production rule. So same way we will apply this rule for this one. Okay, so what would be here? If you see carefully, first of all you need to identify follow of a. Okay, follow of a, because this is a known term here, so you need to identify follow of a. So you can clearly see what is a here at right hand side. This is only a here at right hand side of production rule and nowhere. So this is very simple. What is follow of capital A? What is follow of capital A? Small a. This is small a. Small a is following directly to capital A. So follow of A would be capital A. Okay. Now we have already found out first of beta. So we will replace in this equation, and it would be follow of B equal, this is first of beta minus epsilon union, this is follow of A. If you solve this one, okay, if you solve this one, you would get answer dA. Okay, now what is index for D? Index for D is 1, so write down here 1. What is index for A? 3. Now you need to arrange this these index or digits in descending order. So if you arrange in descending order, your answer would be 3 1, because 3 1 is descending order. So this is your final answer, 3 1. Okay, so this is very simple, easy question. It is looking a bigger question, complex question, but it is not like that. You need to just find out what follow of what B. You need to find out follow of B, and whatever tokens are on follow of B, need to fit their index, and you need to arrange set of index in descending order. So this is your answer. So your final answer is what? Your final answer is 31. So this was numeric type of question. Text box had been given there. You need to feed there 31. You need to write down manually there 31. It was not multiple choice question. It was numeric type of question. So if you are very sure only, then you can attempt this question. So answer is your 31. Okay. Thank you everyone.